have discussed about the what's called as vertebral column. Yes or no? How many bones? Yes or no? Today we are going to discuss about the axis. Clear है? How you will recognize the second vertebra? How you will recognize the second vertebra? You take the vertebra and there is this bony projection. There is a this bony projection. That is what's called as second is the second vertebra. Is the axis what's called as axis. Got it? समझ आ रहा है? So second vertebra is also known as axis. What's called as right answer is point. Second cervical vertebra is known as axis. It is atypical vertebra, typical vertebra. Right now it is atypical vertebra. It is atypical vertebra. Atypical vertebra. See, it is present below the atlas. It is present below the. This is the first vertebra, atlas, and this is the second vertebra. This is the second vertebra. First one is atlas, second is axis. Clear है ना? Can I say that what's called that this vertebra axis sits 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 below the first vertebra, below the atlas, below the. Clear है ना? Right up. It sits below the atlas, below the see towards here. This is the what's called that this is known as axis. What's called that? If I will remove this, odentary process, this bony projection, then this portion will arise like this. If I will see about this vertical, like it will be there. Yes or no? If I am removing this odentary process, the remaining part is known as body. What's called that? Each vertebra is having a body. It's having a body, lateral masses, and this what's called as spine, backward projection is known as spine. But the spine is absent in the first vertebra. This spine is absent in the first vertebra because there is presence of tubercle. What's called that? Tubercle, anterior tubercle and posterior tubercle. Clear है ना? Yes or no? Got it? So what I am saying that second vertebra has three characteristic features. How many? Three characteristic features, structural characteristic feature. It has a body, it has a lateral mass, and spine. What's called that? Spine. Right down. It has a body. It has a body, comma, lateral mass. Yesterday only I discussed about the lateral mass. No? Lateral mass and spine. What's called that? Spine. Spinous process you can. Spine is spinous process. What's called that? I am removing this odentary process. I am what's called that hiding this odentary part. Remaining is this. Yes or no? What's called that? This is the body. This is the body. This is the lateral mass. This is the lateral mass. This is the spine. What's called that? Got it? समझ आ रहा है? Okay. Now see towards it. This is the body. This is the on the superior side of the body. On the superior side of the body, it has a bony projection. This bony projection is known as odentary process. What's called that? Odentary process. Clear है? This odentary process forms a joint. Joint with the first vertebra. This joint is known as atlantoaxial joint. What's called that? And this joint we use the sidewise rotation. Yesterday only I have discussed that. Clear enough? So if I will clearly define that atlantoaxial joint like this, the odentary process which is arising from the body of the second vertebra, arising from the body of the axis, it is anterior surface. Forms a joint with the posterior surface of anterior tubercle. Posterior surface of anterior tubercle. tubercle are first vertebra. First atlas known as farmosa joint known as atlantoaxial joint. Clear है? Got it? Again I will repeat. Odentire process. This is the odentire. This is the first vertebra. This is the first vertebra. Anterior surface of odentire process. Anterior surface of odentire process. Farmosa joint with the anterior tubercle. With the anterior tubercle of posterior surface. Clear है? This is known as atlantoaxial joint, and this joint will give the sidewise rotation. It will give the sidewise rotation of the head. Okay. So those joints which are giving the sidewise rotation, these joints are known as pivot joints. What's called that? POVIT. Pivot joints. What's called that? So atlantoaxial joint is the type of pivot joint. What's called that? Pivot joint. Clear है? Got it? Write down. Second vertebra. This is the second vertebra. This is the body. This is the body of the second vertebra. Body of the. Here is the lateral mass. Yes or no? Clear है ना? So back side there is a spine. There is a spine. Clear है ना? Yes or no? From the anterior, from the superior side of the body. There is a bony projection. This bony projection is known as odentire process. What's called that? Odentire process. This odentire process forms a joint with the anterior tubercle of posterior surface. Anterior tubercle of posterior surface of atlas. And this joint is known as atlantoaxial joint. Clear है? And this joint is known as pivot joint, and because it gives the sidewise rotation of the head. Clear है ना? Right up. It provides side to side movement of head. Next, see, I am hiding the odentire process. I am hiding the remaining is what's called that body. What's called that? Plus lateral mass. And what's called that? Spine. What's called that? Backward spine. Clear है ना? देखो. Now it has superiorly it has two facets. What's called that? Articular facets. These. Clear है ना? Superiorly it has two articular facets. What's called that? Articular facets. Facets means surfaces. Articular means joining surfaces. Clear है ना? Attachment surfaces. So superiorly it has two articulating surfaces known as superior articular facets. What's called that? Superior articular facets. The superior articular facets of which vertebra? Axis. The superior articular facets of axis attaches with the inferior articular facets of atlas. Clear है? Got it? समझ आ रहा है? And they are getting attached with the inferior articular facets of atlas. Clear है ना? Next, if you will see this, see towards this. First one is axis. Clear है ना? See posterior tubercle. Yes or no? Sorry, atlas. But क्या? First one is atlas. There is no spine. There is no spinous process. But second one is this. Yes or no? है ना? Clear है ना? So back side there is a bony projection. That bony projection is known as spinous process. What's called that? This bony projection is known as spinous process. Got it? This spinous process is divided into two parts. Clear है ना? See, spinous process is divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. Clear है ना? So these are known as spine. What's called as bifid. This is known as bifid spine. What's called as? Bi means two, fid, divided. Okay, bifid spine. What's called as? Bifid spine. Clear है ना? Got it? So back side. Now it is present. See, this bifid spine is present backwards. It's present, and it will go downward. It will go backward, little bit down. Clear है ना? Backward like this. It's going. It is not going straight. It's not going straight, but it's going backward, downwards. Clear है ना? So it is present backwardly and it is present backward and downwards. Clear है ना? Got it? समझ आ रहा है? Okay. This bifid spine is present backwards, is present and downwards. Backward and downward. Clear है ना? Got it? समझ आ रहा है? Now listen to me. See towards here. This is the first vertebra. Sorry, this is first vertebra. This is first vertebra. Clear है ना? Atlantoaxial joint clear है? I am removing the first vertebra. Clear है? This is the second vertebra. Axis जैसा no? Then there is a third vertebra. There is a third vertebra. Clear है ना? Got it? The inferior side of axis got two articulating facets. Two same known as inferior articular facets. Known as they will form the joint. They will get attached. They will get attached with the, tell me, superior articular facets of third vertebra. Superior articular facets of clear है ना? The inferior articular facets of axis gets attached with the superior articular facets of third cervical vertebra. Clear है ना? Got it like that. समझ आ रहा है? Okay. Like just when I said that the inferior articular facets of axis will get attached with the the superior articular facets of axis will get attached with the inferior articular facets of atlas. Like this. समझ आ रहा है? So in between there is a joint. These are the attachment. Clear है ना? Got it? Okay. Right. Now listen. See towards the board. Baba. देखो. For example, if I will draw the little diagram in the what's called that diagram of it's called an axis. Okay? This is the body. Got it? This is the there is a lateral mass. There is a lateral. Clear है? This lateral mass will give two bony projections known as laminae. What's called that? Laminae. Clear है ना? Laminae. So same here is also lateral mass. Got it? समझ आ रहा है? So these bony projections are known as laminae. What's called that? Laminae. And these laminae will join together. They will form a process known as spine. What's called that? Spinous process. Got it? समझ आ रहा है? On the superior side of body, it has a process. It has a upward process. This upward process is known as odentide process. What's called that? Odentide process. And it forms a joint with the atlas. And that joint is known as atlantoaxial joint. Are you clear है ना? I have discussed atlantoaxial joint. What's called that? Atlantoaxial joint. Clear है? There are presence of superior articular facets. These superior articular facets will get attached with the inferior articular facets of first vertebra. Atlas. Clear है ना? So below that there is an inferior articular facets. They will get attached with the superior articular facets of third vertebra. Clear है ना? Back side there is a bony projection. That bony projection is known as spine. Spinous process. What's called that? Spinous process. Clear है ना? Spinous process. And this spinous process will divide into two. It will divide into two divisions. And this is known as bifid spine. What's called that? Bifid spine. And this is present backwards and downwards. Clear है? Got it? Yes or no? If you will see this, This is the second vertebra. This is the second vertebra. Clear है ना? Got it? This is the spinous plus. This is the spinous plus. This is the lateral mass. Here is the lateral mass. And lateral mass contains a foramen known as transverse foramen. What's called that? Transverse plus. Yes or no? So there is a presence of a foramen. There is a presence of a foramen here. Lateral mass. Mustafa, there is a process also. There is a process also. That process is known as transverse plus. What's called that? Transverse plus. This is the transverse plus. Transverse plus. Got it? Yes or no? In that transverse process, there is presence of a foramen. There is a presence of a foramen. This foramen is known as transverse foramen. What's called that? Transverse foramen. And this transverse foramen, what is the function of this transverse foramen? Vertebral arteries are running. Vertebral arteries are running. Clear है ना? अब जाना है. Got it? किसानो? This is about the second vertebra. Second cervical vertebra known as axis. What's called that? Axis. Okay.